Next, this was our greenhouse effect. So next we will come to global warming. So, global warming means the increase in average effective temperature near the Earth's surface due to an increase in amount of greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Here are some causes of global warming. First is the burning of biomass. Burning of biomass means burning of dead decaying grasslands, forests, and plants. And next is burning of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels is again the coal, petroleum, and natural gas burning, which is producing a greenhouse effect. And second is same as we have seen, same as the effect in greenhouse is the deforestation, means cutting more and more trees, which increases the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And lastly, it is the increased concentration of chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs are increasing day by day in atmosphere today, and thus it results in increase of the greenhouse gases, and thus which keeps the earth's surface warm, and thus results in global warming. Impact of global warming or life on earth. First is here is the disappearance of plant and animal species. As the earth's surface is becoming warmer day by day, so we can see that the plants or animal species and are disappearing day by day. Next is the warming of ocean. Due to heating of the earth's atmosphere, the surface of oceans are becoming more warmer. Next is the melting of glaciers. Same as warming action is there, so glaciers are melting day by day, which is creating a pressure on the sea level. Next is shifting in farming region. It is seen that in lower altitude there is low farming production, whereas in higher latitude there is high farming production. So accordingly, farmers have to shift from low latitude to high latitude region in order to see a progress in their farming. Next is increase in new disease and heart related deaths. Due to this global warming, the diseases are increasing day by day, and so deaths are also occurring. Next is the climate change. Due to this global warming condition, the climatic changes are occurring day by day, such as sometimes warm climate, sometimes cold climate. Drastic climate changes are occurring. Next is the change in sea level. So, due to as because of climatic change, the changes in sea level is also occurring, such as sea breeze, cold breeze. They are also changing day by day, and thus these are the impacts on global warming on our environment or on our earth. We have some ways to minimize global warming. First is our technological measures. So use first is use of under it we can have a use of renewable sources of energy for generating electricity. Means renewable resources means the resources which can be used more and more times. By renewing them or recycling them, we can use those resources to generate electricity. And use of battery operated vehicles such as electric cars, bikes and scooters, as they are very much pollution free. Use of biogas stoves for cooking, they are also pollution free and produces less smell, so it is not harmful for human beings. Next is our economic measures. Under this, we have reforestation. Reforestation means planting more and more trees, by which we can restore oxygen and minimize the amount of carbon dioxide in environment. Next is industries to pay carbon tax. As carbons are produced more from industrial region, so industries have to pay carbon tax so that they can limit their production. And lastly, there is policy measures, means education. We have to educate children, parents more and more about environmental well-being, environmental measures, eco-friendly measures, so that they can become aware about this drastic problem, which is global warming. And lastly, there is controlling population through family planning, welfare reforms, and women empowerment. We can have a proper family planning so that there is a control of population, and we can also increase women empowerment in our environment, so women can also play an important role in controlling this environment in a eco-friendly manner. Thank you.